Hello students, today we are going to study noun possessive case. So what is noun possessive case? The possessive case shows ownership with the addition of apostrophe s or sometimes just the apostrophe. A noun can change from a simple person, place or thing to a person, place or thing that owns something. The possessive case is used to show possession. However, it can also be used to show authorship or origin. जब कोई एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की हो उसे बोला जाता है पोजेसिव केस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रीताज बुक्स, वरुण's car, पूजा's bicycle, etc. Rita's books means the books belongs to Rita only. Varun's car means that car refers to Varun only. Pooja's bicycle means bicycle, that bicycle is of Pooja's only. So it shows an ownership. While showing an ownership, we must use this sign which is termed as apostrophe. You can see here it's, which means it is, they are, which means they are, whose, which means who is, we are, which means we are, you are means you are. Here you can see in the middle of a word there is an apostrophe. So while showing a possessive case, we need to use this sign which is apostrophe. Now there are some rules. Rule number 1, add apostrophe s to the singular noun that does not end with s. If you see any singular noun which does not end with an alphabet s, you need to put apostrophe s. Let's see an example. Rita's house. In Rita, the word doesn't ends with an alphabet s, so we'll use apostrophe s. Meena's bicycle. Meena doesn't ends with an alphabet s, so we'll use apostrophe s. Rita and Meena are singular. Rule number 2, add only apostrophe to the noun already ending with s. If you see any word which ends with an alphabet s, you only need to put apostrophe. Don't add apostrophe s. As you can see here, princess necklace. These words end with an alphabet s, so we will add only apostrophe. Princess necklace. Headmistress room. Rule number 3, add apostrophe s to the plural noun that does not end with s. This rule is as same as rule number 1, but here the only difference is there will be a plural noun, which means a group of person or things. Example, people's choice. People word doesn't end with an alphabet s, so we will put apostrophe s. Children's park. Children is a plural noun, so we'll add apostrophe s. Last rule, rule number 4, do not use possessive case for nouns of the neuter gender. In the last session, we have learnt about noun gender, in which there were 4 gender. One of them was neuter gender, which includes only place, things, abstract noun. Let's see an example. Here note that we will not use apostrophe s or only apostrophe. If you want to show cover of the book, you should not write as book's cover, as book is a neuter gender. So you will write cover of the book. Example 2. If you see horns of a cow, you will not term it as cow's horn, but use horns of the cow. So whenever you see any neuter gender, you must use of the. Don't use s or apostrophe s or only apostrophe. Let's revise it. Possessive noun shows the ownership of a particular person or thing. There are some rules to use apostrophe. Rule number 1. Whenever you see a singular noun which doesn't end with an alphabet S, you will use apostrophe S. Rule number 2. If a noun ends with an alphabet S, you need to put only an apostrophe. Rule number 3. Whenever you see any plural noun which doesn't end with an alphabet S, use apostrophe S. Last rule, whenever you see any neuter gender, you need to use of the and don't use apostrophe S or apostrophe. I hope it's clear.